Hey guys! Welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina. And sorry, medyo late post to video vlog natin, reaction video for episode 4 of Avenues of the Diamond. Sa kadahilan ng nag-edit pa ako ng videos. Dahil may ganap ako with Hi Gab last Friday. But eto na, nag-edit na ako ng reaction video ko for episode 4. So, ayoko nang patagalin pa. And let's start in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's go! Oh my God! Sinong nagselos kanina? Hala ka! Hala ka, Samantha! La! Gusto ko yung sobrang supportive ni Sevi at ni Luna. Oo naman, Sam. Di pa ba obvious? This is Regine. Grabe yung selos, ha? Gusto ko to. Ako lang ba yung natutuwa na nagsiselos si Clyden? Paselos king talaga si Sevi eh. Oh, basag!
I just thought you might be jealous.
Huh? Okay.
Okay, di ka nasiselos.
Sige.
Why didn't you tell me you're coming?
If you stopped ignoring my messages and calls, then maybe you would know.
Ang daming messages.
Sorry. I was just busy all night.
Oo nga naman, kasi Clyden, bakit ka magbe-message? Alam mo naman busy yung ate mong girl, di ba?
Sorry.
Ganyan ka naman eh, hindi mo ako priority. Ganun.
What are you doing? I'm right behind you.
Just entering. Hey. I'm sorry I didn't answer your calls earlier.
Bakit kayo ganyan? May paganyan pa somehow, may paganyan pa. My God.
It's okay.
Oh, ang lamay ng it's okay. Sino ka dyan, girl?
What did you say?
I said thanks for coming. Do you want to have a drink?
Talaga ba, Sam? Pakilala mo na kasi sa friends mo.
That's all.
Just 3 bottles. Please.
I don't drink.
2.
Well,
Final offer. 1 bottle.
Sige na.
sige. Isang bote lang.
Ito na nga.
So, how exactly did you end up here? I thought you're going to study all night.
Akala ko rin.
Daming palusot dito si Clyden eh.
Readings ko kanina.
You finished everything in one sitting?
Oo, para makapunta dyan.
Yeah.
Sino to?
Hi, I'm Jo.
Sorry. I'm happily married.
Burn!
Okay.
Burn! I'm happily married. Gusto mo yung ganon?
Sweet mo. Kawawa naman siya.
I mean, it's better than just outright rejecting her. So I said it married. Then, She's not like that.
Kasi ako nga pala yung type.
Gusto ko yun.
Why don't you say no if I'm not your type?
Because
Because what?
you're drunk.
Oh? Wait. Stan! Sino kaya yan?
Sam loves flowers.
I don't know, maybe somebody just left it there. Or they just forgot about it.
Oh.
Sayang naman. Ang ganda oh. Ang sweet na nagbigay. Nagdala pa talaga ng bouquet sa club. I mean, who's this?
But what?
Those cute and sweet things. Alam mo, sa akin binigay yan. Hindi pwede dito.
So true. Hindi yan waste kay Sam.
Yes.
Okay. I think it's really time to go now.
Dito yata magaganap yung mga first kiss niya.
More. You're so cute. One more.
Let's go now. Sam,
Si Shan!
Here's the playboy.
pare ba doon? Saglit. Just wanna ask her a question.
Nasaan si Kiera?
Ask her tomorrow, she's drunk.
Ito yung nasa
She can
book.
answer my question better when she's drunk. Sam, yung ba talaga alam ko na si Yana?
Ah, okay. Akala ko si Kiera. Okay, dahil si Hero kay Hero.
Are you sure? Pare, that's enough. Don't take advantage of her state. I hope you won't also. You know this guy? The fuck ang problema mo? Tell you what, why don't you bring Sam back to her friends? Saan mo siya dadalhin? I'm bringing her home. Home?
Ang dami na nakakaalam ah.
You know this guy? I'm bringing her fiancé home. Fiancé? Really?
Sam, magsalita ka naman.
Hey, Sean, calm down. He's really good fiancé. Sige. Look, oh.
Grabe. Ang daming pasabog. Gusto ko si Shan dito kasi sobrang protective niya as a friend ni Sam. 'Di ba? Sobrang oh. Grabe yung Univercada ha. They are so green-coded friends. Like, they're taking care of each other. 'Di ba? Sobrang sana all. Hindi man ako mapapasana all kasi ganun naman yung mga friends ko.
You're full. You're full.
Tayo umiyak ka.
Sarili mo, nasa
Sam, hindi naman talaga nalalasing si Sam, pero hindi ko alam bakit laging lasing.
magkasakit.
Magkasakit agad. Dok naman, I'm fine. See?
You've had enough. Maniwala ka. Dahil nadi-dehydrate ka, kawawa kidneys mo.
Grabe si Doc. Sobrang,
Tawan mo. Including alcohol, by the way. Kaya pag sumobra ka, magda-damage talaga yan.
sobra namang concern yan, Doc.
You're so cute when you go all medical.
Yes, Sam, walang dilig yan.
Cute ako. Pero seryoso, prevention is better than cure.
True.
Okay, so...
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Magkikis sila, magkikis sila, magkikis sila. Oh! Ang tagal naman. Ito na ba yun? Ito na ba yun? Sino ma-hatching? Uy! Sino yung... Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Nasuka pa nga. Ay, wrong timing, Sam. Wrong timing. Mabaho ba yung hininga ko?
Hydrate.
Hi, Sam. Sayang. Sayang. Eh, na sana, oh. Yun yung moment nyo. Sobrang epic. Sobrang epic mo dyan, Sam.
Nalipid ko ba, doctor? Tapos kunwari, kasakit ako. Will you take care of me?
Oh, no.
Of course. Pero I'd rather hindi ka na magkasakit. Naiiwasan ko.
Ang ingay ng tao. Oh, sobrang cute, Sam. Sobrang cute.
Kasi natapos ko na mag-vomit.
Oh, Sim. Hanap ng lalaking mas ganyan yung sasabihin. Kahit amoy suka ka na talaga.
Can you feel my
God.
so loud and fast? Right?
Oh, sana all. Grabe po yung mga revelation na pinagsasabi nila dito. Like, sana hindi talaga naririnig sa background yung nagsasalita sa gilid ng kwarto ko, di ba? Talagang tinimingan pa ako ng mga lasing na to eh.
Nice to have someone beside.
Aww.
I used to have my best friend Yana, you know?
Ayan, masasabi na niya yung ano. Parang masasabi na yata niya kung nasan si Yana.
Pero now, since umuwi siya ng province, I just feel so good.
Alam nyo, ang dami niyang friends, pero ang one true friends niya talaga is si Yana and the Univercada.
Sorry.
Grabe, iba talaga nagagawa ng alak. Kung ano na yung mga nasasabi mo na hindi mo masabi when you're sober.
Really sorry. Didn't do it about anything.
Hmm.
Even though you're best friend, I couldn't listen.
Oh, sana all may magli-listen.
Thank you, Sam.
Diba? Sana all.
You're never alone, Maui.
Why are you being so nice to me?
Kasi it's the start of something.
You were so rude.
I was rude because I hate your family. But
But
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
you're not your family.
True ka dyan. True ka naman dyan, Clyden. True. At never nagbago yun.
thank you, Sai. And thank you for all the nice things you did for me.
Nice. Sana all. So, eto na ba? Sa chicks lang? Yes, Clyden. Awkward.
Late na rin kasi magpahinga ka na. And don't forget to hydrate, please. Okay, good night.
Bakit kasi may pakis sa pisngi? Naman, Sam? Di ba sa lips? Anong feeling, Clyden? Anong feeling, Clyden? Alam mo, gusto kong matuwa. Oh, sa kilig! My God, my God, my God. Nag-kiss siya sa cheeks. Like, paano yung nagre-reminisce? Yung background sound kasi, makaka-copyright ako. My God, mga mima. Okay, back to school. Yes, Sam. Tulalay.
What the hell did I do?
My God.
So, there's a house party this weekend. It's a birthday of a friend of a friend. Wait. Wait, Sam. Okay ka lang?
Tulalay ate mo, girl.
What did you today? Huh? Wala. What were you saying, Nicole? She said that there's a house party daw. Basically, everyone in the social circle is invited. You're not listening kasi. Are you thinking of something? Or thinking of someone?
Nahuli mo ate girl.
Are you thinking of
Alam niyo yung camera ko kasi is binaliktad ko and hindi ko makita yung face ko. Napapatingin ako sa salamin, which is sa harap. So, imbis na dyan ako sa camera, dun ako napapatingin.
I don't fake. Hindi naman kami lovers. But we're not really friends either. Wait, ang dami niyo namang tanong. Sige, ito na lang. Is he your new boyfriend? What? No, it's just someone I know.
Woos.
Someone you know or someone you want to know more and more and more. Right? Magkaiba yun. Wait. Oh my gosh. I think I know him. Siya ba si Clyden Ramirez?
Oh my God.
Yeah, of course I know him. I have this friend kasi, med student then, and she's always going on about how pogi, guapo, handsome, everything, and smart he is. And she's totally obsessed with him. Apparently, he's pretty well known around med schools in Manila. Really? Tell me more. What else do you know about him? Well, he's not exactly known for being super friendly now. He mostly keeps to himself. But he's always with two people. Two people? Mm-hmm.
Okay, dito na magsisimula ang pagsaselos kay Eva.
Pretty siya. Tall, smart, and in med school. They do study sessions, classes, and very
Sige pa, pagselosin mo pa si Sam.
I know Rich. Pero yung girl, sino yun?
Kakamit lang niya kay Ridge last night eh. Stock na yan oh.
Who is she? What does she do?
Yes. Sam, ikaw yan oh. Ikaw yung pipiliin ni Clyde. Huwag kang galala.
Oh, he has an account now. Of course, private ka.
Feeling ko si Ridge naka-public.
Is this from last night?
Okay. So, recently kakapirma lang nito eh, ni Kesley. I forgot the name. Basta siya yung nasa girl trend. Kelsey Merritt yung masasabi ko, pero hindi siya yun.
Oh, so she's smart. Never niya ako sinabi ang smart.
Oh, selos yan. Selos yan, kasi hindi sinabi yun ng smart.
Happy birthday to the most brilliant, kind-hearted, and amazing person I know. Grateful to have you and for everything you've done for me. Cheers.
Ang haba naman, jowa yan.
Teka, so there's really something going on between them. Why am I feeling like this?
Sige na, Sam, aminin mo, nagsiselos na kayo.
Tapos ngayon, nagsiselos ako. No, I'm just confused.
Sige, i-deny mo pa, Sam. I-deny mo pa. Piling ko iwasan niya si Clyden.
Oh my gosh, he's here. Hindi ko pa siya kayang harapin. Ah,
Oh, Molly. Didn't see you there.
hey, I was just outside getting some fresh air.
Talaga ba, Sam?
Kapalit ba?
Yeah, sakit nga ng ulo ko eh. Last night just got a little out of hand, I guess. Probably the alcohol talking. Whatever happened, just forget about it. Seriously.
Forget about what exactly? Ano yung gusto mong kalimutan ko?
Lahat.
Never mind. So,
So,
have you eaten yet?
yeah, actually I'm full. Kumain kami nila Eva bago ako umuwi.
Oh, Eva. Eva is the name.
Actually, busog rin ako eh.
Selos yan, Sam. Selos yan. What's your problem sa loob-loob ni Clyden?
Why does it bother me so much? Hindi ko dapat nararamdaman to.
Oo, Sam. Hindi mo dapat nararamdaman yan. Bakit ka nagseselos?
Grabe guys, alam niyo ba kung gaano ka-wild yung party? Tapos ito, si Sam, napaka-hyper. Sinasayawan si Seri. Kasi Seri parang tukod. Hindi siya kayo. Sayang naman, hindi namin na-witness yun.
Parang tuod si Sevi.
Malabas na kompleto. Diyos ko naman. Paano naman kasi MIA siya? Kasi ba yun? Alam ba kung nangyari doon? Oo nga, nasa na ba yun? Iniiwasan niya ba tayo? Should I tell them? It's better if it will come from Yana. She's just going through something. And I think she needs some space. We'll wait till siya. Hindi mo nang go-ghost.
Si Luna talaga yung pinaka-affected.
I mean, ghosting yung bigla magsisingilan ng messages.
Ito yata yung biglang pupunta si Yana, eh.
Cheater. May ibang babae na pala. Hit nyo.
Damang-dama yan. Damang-dama Yana. Ay, Luna.
Talaga yun ah. Kesa relationship, kesa friendship. Hindi naman talaga tamang mang-ghost, di ba? True. Kung ayaw mo na, sabihin mo na maayos, di ba? Hindi yun ang ghost ka na lang. I have a question. Speaking of red flags, do you think a guy is a red flag if he is hanging out with two girls at a time? Okay ba na rin pinag-ugotan?
True ka dyan, Kiera.
As in, hanging out na yun? Well, I know a guy who is naturally masungit. But he's being nice and sweet to two girls. Is he needing them? Back burner. Back burner? Ano yung guy na may two girls, kunyari. Tapos, yung pangalawa, option niya. So, pag hindi nag-work yung una, siya sa pangalawa, back burner. Wala naman nabasa yan. Gago, totoo yun. Legit talaga.
Legit.
Hindi sabi ko naman sa inyo.
Daming alam ni Luna, eh.
Hindi kayo maging, tawag doon, hindi kayo ma-colorblind sa red flag. Wow, naisipin mo pa yun. Hindi. Bakit ba? Bakit? Sinong guy yun? Ba't mo natanong? Wala. A guy from school na he's doing that to one of my friends. No big deal.
Oh, talaga ba, Sam? Same, Luna.
What time are you coming home?
Hey, I'm just curious. Who's Eva? Why are you always hanging out with her?
Ito yung bigla siyang susunduin ni Clyden, kung tama ako.
It's not my business. Hindi naman kami.
Ay?
I know Naomi likes photography. So sana she loves her birthday gift. Maybe shoes. There you don't have. Is that Naomi with Sharon?
Okay, ito yung...
Kilala ko siya. He's a schoolmate. A year younger sa akin.
Para silang nagro-roleplaying lang.
Naomi's turning 18. She can date whoever she wants. Pero, last time I checked, tinidate ni Sharon's sister ni Riley.
Okay. Alam nyo, nakakatuwa kasi parang nagbabasa lang ako ng literal na live action kung ano yung nasa book. Like, wala sila masyadong binabago na hindi mo makita. So, nakakatuwa lang.
So, how are you inside? We're fine. Nothing's changed. By the way, look up. Ganda ng bag. Like it? Mom, that's way too expensive for a bag. Ay, naku, Mom. Alam mo, unlimited edition or a luxury bag. Parang love yan. Relationships. It's hard to find. Impossible to forget. Worth the search.
Ngayon, hindi pa natin nakikita yung emotions ni Miss Claudine Barreto, pero I can't wait dun sa mga revelations. Yung bandang
I think
masasakit na part kung paano tayo papaiyakin, paano gigigilin.
how could you not care, Mom? She lives in the same house as you. And she needs attention, especially motherly love.
Hindi niya ako nanay.
Maui, I'm not her mother.
Hindi ganito yung na-imagine ko on how
Patrick,
the conversation would look like. Pero ang galing ni Direk for executing this kind of scene. Ang galing.
Naomi? Naomi, can we talk?
Aray! Ako'y nasaktan.
Please don't meddle with my relationships with other people. I'm not a kid anymore. I can make decisions for myself. Even though it will hurt you. Every day it hurts me some. I'm already numb. So please stop acting like you care about me. Stop protecting me.
Um,
I really care about you.
feeling ko masasaktan na naman ako. Pag namatay si Naomi. Medyo ni-spoil ko na kayo guys. If you have read the book, alam niyo naman yung kapalaran niya. So, parang after Safe Skies Archer, yung GSOT lang yung wala lang matetegi. Pero yung tatlong iba may nategi. Ano to, lasing na naman si Sam. Iconic talaga nung headband niya kasi yun yung napansin ni Clyden sa kanya. Grabe naman lapit ng kamay.
Actually, you should see a doctor.
Loh.
Make sure you didn't damage anything.
Loh, oo eh. Pero as a doctor or nagsa-study talaga, ganyan talaga yung mga reaksyon nila. Na parang sa atin, simpleng lang yan, natamaan ng
Random question. Why did you want to be a doctor? Was it because of your family?
It was. At first. Don't care. Whatever I can do to help. I have the privilege to do so eh. Ayoko naman na pumikit lang na as if walang nangyayari.
True naman. Tama naman yung intentions ni Clyden.
Ikaw magluluto? Yeah. Eh, tawag ka na lang nakapag-ready.
How sweet of you, Clyden. Good job ka dyan.
Enjoy ko rin magluto. It's a mental break from all the memorizing and stuff.
Sana marunong magloto, 'di ba? Ba't ganun yung boses ko? Like, oh, so weird. Aww. Sobrang sweet naman ng Clyden na to.
Sorry.
Ang hirap nito, no? Tapos masasanay ka. Oh.
See?
Dati magkalayo pa sila, tapos ngayon, kadikit na sila kumain.
Sam. Let's meet. No, I think we should meet.
Huh?
No. Let's date.
What? Are you serious? What do you mean date? As in, date romantically?
Yeah, let's make this work.
I mean, what are we going to work on?
Our non-existent relationship. I mean, if we want to continue living with each other, then we should make this work.
Okay.
So, you want us to date?
Let's hang out.
Hang out?
Ano ba talaga? Napakahirap kasing...
Kaya ko na dito para sabay tayo kumain.
Hmm?
Do you want us to hang out like this?
Ayaw ni Sam.
Kaya lang may girls na most
Back burner! Hala.
sa mga baka tama si Luna. Naka-back burner na.
Ayaw niya.
First of all, don't say date me so casually. Magkaiba ang hanging out and dating, okay? Lalo na ang mating. Scenario.
Mating.
Don't worry about us continuing to live together. Public na rin ako sa condo ko next week. And lastly, aren't we pretty engagement? Isn't that the
Hmm.
Wait. So you're moving out next week?
Yeah.
I see.
Okay.
I understand. I'm just gonna stay here. The dogs can't live with me sa condo, so dito na lang muna kami.
Aww.
And as for the deal, yes. Tuloy tayo.
Tulad ka. Mabuti ng balik lang.
Feeling ko mabilis sumaba yung book ni, ni Sam.
Tumatawag si Richard. Excuse me.
Bakit kailangan pa sabihin kung sino yung tumatawag?
Hello.
Hala. Sobrang petty mo, Sam. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Kasi nung nasa book, hindi pa masyado. Pero ngayon, sobrang petty niya pala.
I'm sure it's okay for us to be here. Of course, it's an open birthday party. I'll introduce the birthday girl. Elle. Hi. Hi, girls. This is Elle. She goes to our neighbor's school. Elle, these are my friends, Sam, Riley, and Ayesa. Happy birthday, Elle. Thank you so much, girls. Nice to meet you.
Ah, si Eva.
Okay to shop. Tall, smart, and in men at school. They use non-fashions everything. So have you eaten yet?
Kumain kami nila Eva bago.
Lalo na bad trip si Sam. Kasi kung tama yung pagkakatanda ko sa book, parang kinikwento niya dito si Clyden.
Hi, girls. Hi, Eva. They're my friends. So nice to meet you. Here's some meeting to enjoy the party. Hi. Wow, enjoy the party.
Yes, Sam.
So siya pala si Eva. She's pretty. Hindi siya makapag-stress kahit puyat lagi sa kakain. And she's here. Maybe he's
There.
here.
Okay.
What a joke. Sabi niya, he never takes his ring off. You're wearing your engagement ring today?
I always do.
Kasi alam ko, nasa kabilang side yung ring niya. Grabe na po yung selos natin.
Yeah. Wait. Jeez. This one.
Green. Sobrang petty talaga ni Sam. Like, feeling ko naman may rason siya maging petty. Kasi naman, wala naman talaga siyang relasyon ni Clyden, di ba?
Perfect. That's good. Diba?
Hindi ko matandaan kung anong kalokahan na gagawin ni Sam dito eh.
I'll just go to the restroom. Okay. Hi, girls. Come on. Hi.
Sobrang cute!
Okay. Wala lang yun. I hate him. I'm okay.
Kalma.
Hi.
Huh.
Why are you here?
My friend is a fan of the birthday girl, so she invited us.
Okay, di, sabay na tayo umuwi.
No thanks. I'm with Riley. You can join the dance group na. I think they're drunk.
What's your problem?
Nothing. Go, drive Eva home.
Because this is her house. Yung kapatid niya yung may birthday.
Okay.
Well, good for you then. Anong problema mo?
Are you jealous?
Ayan na nga.
Where's your ring? Kailangan mo magsinungaling na you never take it off.
What? Why are you asking me about my ring?
Ayan na.
You're engaged to me.
Oh my God. The territorial
So
Sam.
where is it?
Oh, wait lang. Bakit hinalika? Ay, ka lang. I need oxygen. So, ganun ba talaga pag nagtatanong kung nasan yung singsing? Nanghahalik? Like, anong feeling? Like, guys, ano ba? Gusto na mag-episode 5. Bakit ganun yung boses ko? Thank you guys for watching and I hope you subscribe on my YouTube channel, follow my page, and other social, excuse me. So, bye. See you on my next vlog.